In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly upload an Excel file to Google Drive. Now, whether you're working from home, at the office, or on the go, having your Excel files readily accessible on Google Drive can significantly enhance your productivity and organization. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in drive.google.com. This will bring you directly to the Google Drive homepage, where you can start accessing all the powerful tools Google offers. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials to log in. Secure your account with a strong password and always keep your login details private. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look towards the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New in a blue color. This is a crucial button because it is your gateway to creating and uploading files. Click on it once and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears, providing you with different options for moving forward. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to select File Upload. Clicking this will open up a File Explorer window on your device. At this point, you need to navigate through your device's folders to locate the Excel file you aim to upload to Google Drive. Organizing your files in advance can save you time here. So, if you're struggling to find your file, use the search functionality in your File Explorer to locate it quickly. Now that you've found your Excel file, simply click on the file once to highlight it. When you've done this, look towards the lower right of the window for the button marked Open. Clicking Open will instruct Google Drive to start uploading your selected Excel file. At this stage, you can observe a small dialog box that appears on the bottom right of your screen. This window displays the upload progress. Depending on your file size and your internet speed, this process might take a few moments. So be patient and let the upload complete. And just like that, you're done. You have successfully uploaded an Excel file to Google Drive, a simple process that makes your files more accessible and organized. Now you can access this file from any device with internet access by simply logging into your Google account. This flexibility makes Google Drive a fantastic tool for managing and sharing your documents without the hassle of physical storage devices. And there you have it. You've now learned how to upload an Excel file to Google Drive, a tiny step towards streamlined digital productivity. Thank you for watching, and look out for our next tutorial. Happy uploading!